Hey guys, welcome back to the Operation Zone. If this is your first time, I say welcome, and if this is not your first time, I say thank you for coming back. So in this video guys, this is going to be one of them quick videos where you won't even see my face or anything like that. So before I get into the video, I want to encourage you, if you haven't subscribed us yet, please go ahead and subscribe. It takes nothing, it's free. Just support the channel so I can keep providing you with these videos, trying to help you guys out in whatever way I can. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed us yet, please go ahead and subscribe. So on today's video, we're gonna be showing you guys how to replace your cartridge ink cartridge on your HP 309A. I think it's the A series. It's a C309A, and it's a HP. This is actually a very old version of HP printer. But guys, I love this printer. It was fairly cheap, and I've had no issue with this printer whatsoever. I do run aftermarket cartridges in it, and I've never had any issue with it. I've tried to stick with whatever brand that I buy previously. I don't try to go and try out different brands. I just stick to the one brand that I know work for sure. I don't want to deal with any error messages and any of that. And I've never had any error message or anything like that. The one time that I did change these out, and I actually had error messages, was the print head that was dirty, and I just needed to clean it up with a little alcohol, and that was it. Well, other than that, aftermarket cartridges run very well in these printers. So let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is turn on the printer, and let's wait for it to boot up. And these are cartridges. These are, I think they're refill cartridges that I purchased on Amazon. You can go on Amazon or wherever website you can go to, and you should be able to find replacement inks fairly easy. All right. No, it has loaded up, and you can see there's an error message. Well, there's a warning that what does it say? Ink cartridges refilled or depleted. So it's saying that we need to change the ink cartridges because it's pretty much out of ink. So I got the whole kit right here. Before we get into this, the first thing that I want to tell you guys to get is, whenever you're doing this, make sure you have gloves. Make sure you have some paper towel. I don't have gloves right now, but I'm just doing this for the sake of the video, so it doesn't really matter to me. But make sure you have gloves, because you know ink will get on your hand. So this is I think it's a double pack that I bought. Yeah, so it comes with three. Hold on. Yeah, it comes with a double set. So I just gotta look for the individual colors and make sure I'm only taking one of each. And if you have a C309, this is exactly what you want to buy. So hold on guys, let me start this out first, and then I'll get back to you guys. So I think this is all we need. So guys, after you got your ink figured out, so now in order to open and access the ink cartridges, you just pop it open like that. Give it a second, and the whole holder will come where you can access it. So there we go. We got black. Oh, I'm missing the large black. Alright, the toner, I mean, but I think the toner is good, so I'm just gonna rock with this for now. I think I got a spare toner somewhere there. I'm not going to change this right now because I recently changed the toner, so it should be fine. So the first thing we want to do is, now to get these out, you just press this tab right here and pick it up, and that's it. This black seems very... So as I said, these things get really messy, you want to make sure you got paper towel to rest these on. Don't rest them on anything that is too valuable. I'm just gonna put them on the table over here, and then we're gonna replace it with the black. Let's find the black. Where's the black? Where's the black? So we just rip this open. Then pull out the protective covering. This is where things might get a little messy because you can see it's already, you know, it's getting ready to drip. And then you're gonna hold it like this. Oh, this is actually the wrong size. What the heck? Hold on, guys. I think this is the wrong size. Hold on. I think it's for this side. So I need to get the regular one. Alright, let's cap this back up so it doesn't make a mess all over the place. I think I grabbed the wrong one. Alright, so guys, I'm in a bit of a problem. I think that package, they forgot to put the block, the small block in it. Alright, well, I'm just gonna have to do without block for now. I'm gonna put the old block in there. Yeah, I think they messed up and sent me the wrong. So they sent me 4 large blocks when they should have sent me 2 of these, because this one's actually a different size. This is the extra large, and these are the extra large. This one is the extra large. These are all extra large. So I think they messed up with that. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But anyway, let's change out what we got. For now, we got the purple. Well, magenta is what it's called. So let's do that one. As I said, we pop the cap off like this, the orange covering. Alright. Press this tab and take that one out like that. Stick this one back in, make sure it's lined up, then just press down. And that's it. Put this somewhere safe. And the next one will be the blue, which is called cyan. Let's get that one in. Same deal. Get the covering off. Make sure it doesn't drip all over the place. Carefully get it in, and that's it. Press until you hear the click, and we should be good. Next one is yellow. Let me get this somewhere safe. Get rid of these. So you can see there's a little bit of yellow left in this one, but whatever, I'm just going to change everything. Same deal. Alright, so this one, so what happened is now, guys, they sent me 4 of these instead of 2. They should have sent me 2 of these and two of these. So now I'm stuck with 4 of these, which doesn't really help me right now, because I don't know if this one, I don't know how much is left in this. I don't want to waste them. Let me put this one back in and see, and do an ink level test and see how much we got left in it, because if we don't need it, I'm not going to waste it. So yeah, they messed up my package this time. I have to get back to them. So they gave me 4 extra large. This is, yeah, they gave me the wrong size. Alright. Yeah, I messed up. So they sent me 4 of the same instead of 2 of each. They sent me 4 of the same. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Is it? Let me see. If it's the same size. It's definitely bigger. So they sent me the wrong one. They didn't send me the black, the small black. They sent me this one, the toner. They sent me 4 toners instead of 2 toners and two black. They sent me 4 toners instead. So now I'm stuck with 4 toners. But sometimes you might be able to get away with just using a toner. Without the black. Let me see what it's saying right now. So I close that up, hit OK, OK again, and it's saying non-ink cartridge installed. So you might get a little message like that sometimes, guys, but just ignore it. It normally goes away. Sometimes it just needs to. Sometimes you might need to run alignment on the printer itself. You might need to realign the cartridges. You might need to do a head clean. And if it suggests that if you are having issues, then I suggest you do those 2 things, and you should be fine after that. So right now I just changed the cartridges, and it realizes that things change, and it's realigning stuff, getting stuff ready again, and we should be good after that. So what is it saying? Non-ink cartridges installed. That's fine. We don't need all of that. So guys, it might show error messages, but normally it's fine. Well, this brand, as I said, this model. Let's go to inks and see what the levels are. So this is saying that, oh, this one is low. So I probably could change this one. It's not all the way gone, so I'm not going to waste it. The black is low also, but I do not have a replacement black. I actually found this black, I think was from a different batch, but I think this is pretty empty from what I can tell. This looks pretty empty. So I don't even want to mess with. I'm thinking about putting this one in there. Let's see if it. All right, let me test this one. Let me put this one in there and see if it has a little more ink than the other one. These guys screwed me over this time by sending me the wrong stuff. Let's see if that one is better. If it has a little more ink in it, then I'll just keep that one. I'm not going to dump this one either, because so as I say, you might see little. They are aftermarket inks, so you might get messages like those, but normally they don't mean anything. They go away after a while. Okay. Okay, if we go to ink now, all right, that one is worse. So I definitely don't want that one in there. So let me put back this one that has a little bit more ink in it, and then I'm gonna have to order one of these blacks by itself, or reach out to the company and ask them to send me the black, because they didn't send me the full package. They messed up and sent me the wrong stuff. So let's get this one out of there. This one's a little more. Alright. This is garbage. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you clean your ink. That's how you replace your cartridges and all of that. And as I said, the printer itself will recognize when it needs to be realigned or the head needs cleaning, and it will give you a message. And as I said, if things aren't working like they should, then I suggest you try that. Clean the head, realign the cartridges, and it should be good after that. Alright. So let's see what the levels are again. Alright, so we have a little bit. We can rock with it for at least a few more prints before we have to actually get the replacement black. Alright. So I'm pretty sure this is fine. I don't need to do anything else. Let's close the door. We go to the home. So let me show you guys if say for instance things aren't working out and you need to clean the head or realign it, this is how you do it. So you go to home. Where's home? Home, right? The forward button, go to setup, go to tools, and it will ask you, you can do a print. You can print the status of the computer. You can do a head clean, print head. So that's something that you would do if things weren't working out properly. Or you could do an alignment. If you hit down, you'll see align printer. But I'm sure things are normal, so I'm not even gonna waste the ink on that, because I've used this brand before. I know it works perfectly fine with it. So yeah, as I said, this is gonna be a quick little video showing you guys how to replace the cartridge on a HP C309 A series. Alright, and as I said, this has been a nice little printer for me and my family, so I'm good with this. Alright, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next operation. For the people in the sewing community who's been asking about sewing videos, I'll be giving you some sewing videos pretty soon. I know it's been a while since I've done anything with the sewing machines and all that. And as you all know, some of you might know, I actually own the brand Omar Designs. So if you guys are looking for cargo pants, something that's a little different from the normal cargo pants, you can go check out that. You can check out my website at omardesignsapparel.com. That's omardesignsapparel.com. And you know, that's one way you can support the channel if you want to support us. Grab one of our beautiful cargo pants. Yeah. So with all that said, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm a little tired right now. This is like 4 videos I've shot in one day. Just trying to get a lot of videos in the pipeline. Just, you know, pump them out as I can when I get a day off. Try to do as much videos as I can, and then I'll just get back to editing and posting you guys some videos. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one.